In this video, conditional formatting will be used to solve the following problem. Highlight actual delivery dates in column E that do not match the scheduled delivery date in column B. The solution is to use the not equal to conditional formatting formula. The first step is to highlight the range of cells that you want to format. Then, on the Home tab on the ribbon, click on Conditional Formatting, then New Rule. Choose the second option that says Format only cells that contain, then change the option from Between to Not Equal to, and enter equals B4 in the reference field. The cell entered in this reference field must be a single cell and cannot be B4 to B9. Click on Format to set up the formatting. If you want the Excel default of light red fill with dark red text, then use these hex codes. Then click OK, and OK again, and the conditional formatting is set. To modify the rule, click on Conditional Formatting, then Manage Rules.